Hi students, once again welcome to discuss about polynomials. So far we have learnt the previous two videos, what is a polynomial, and the second concept is the degree of a polynomial. Now let us move on to the next concept, value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. What is value of a polynomial? Very easy and very simple. If you know how to substitute or how to replace a value by how to replace a variable by any value. If you know this, it is enough to understand value of a polynomial. So let me take one example. Generally, polynomials can be represented like this: p of x. P of x is equal to x plus 5. Simple, just simple. P of x is equal to x plus 5. If you want to find the value of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 2, p of minus 2, p of k, like that, any value. If you want to find out, how to find out these values? Take first what is given polynomial. P of x is equal to x plus 5. Take the first one, p of 1. P of 1 means, observe these two, in place of x we have to substitute 1, that's all. You can write like this also, put x is equal to 1. Let us substitute p of 1. P of 1 is equal to, in place of x 1 comes, like that. In place of x take 1, plus 5 is as it is, that is should not change, plus 5 only. Now 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. That is the value of the polynomial, that's all, over. So the value of p of x is 6 when x is equal to 1, like that we say. Next, take p of minus 1. P of minus 1. P of minus 1 means, put x is equal to minus 1. X value minus 1. So, x value take minus 1. Plus 5 is common. Minus 1 plus 5. Subtraction. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. That is the value of that polynomial. Like that, take k. Put x is equal to k. P of k. K, x plus k plus 5. K plus 5. So many students are doing wrong here. K plus 5 is, some says 5k. You should not write 5k. This is wrong. See, k is a variable. 5 is a constant. A variable and a constant cannot be added or subtracted. So what to do? K plus 5. K plus 5 only, nothing is there. You should not add. This is the value of a polynomial. Like that, any value you can give. That is the value of a polynomial. Okay? Let us take one more example. Let us take one more example. P of x is equal to, just I am taking another one. P of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 5. Find p of minus 1, p of minus 2. Let us take those two, since it is a square. Take p of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 5. We have to find out the value of p of minus 1 and p of minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 1. First value, x is equal to minus 1. So, p of minus 1. In place of x, we have to substitute minus 1. Let us substitute minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. See, in place of x, that is x, remove the x and replace with minus 1, that's all. Minus 1 whole square, minus is there, 2 is there, x is minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 whole square. We know that minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, 2 times. Minus into minus plus, 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1. Minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2. At last 5 is there, plus 5. Everything plus only. So add everything, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. That is the value of that polynomial, that's all. Like that, take p of minus 2, p of minus 2. You can do it. Okay, next. One more. This is the value of a polynomial. That's all, nothing else. This is the value of a polynomial. Okay, next. Second one. Next concept goes like this. Next concept related to value of the polynomial only. Zeros of a polynomial. What do you mean by zeros of a polynomial? It relates with value of a polynomial only. If you know what is value of a polynomial, only then you will come to know about a zero of a polynomial. So let us see one example, then you can understand very easily. Example, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Like that I gave an example. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now, let me find out some values. P of 1. P of 1 means in place of x, replace with 1. 1 square. 3 into, again x value, 1. 1 minus 4. Minus 4 is common. So, 1 square means 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. 3 ones are 3. Minus 4. So, here this is negative and this is negative. This is only positive. Positive only 1 is there. Negatives 7 are there. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. 1 minus 7. See, we cannot subtract 7 from 1. But we can subtract 1 from 7. So, 1 from 7. 7 minus 1, that is 6. But the 7 is having negative symbol, that is why minus 6. Simply we can say this is minus 7 and this is plus 1. Minus 7 and plus 1, that is minus 6. Let us take another value, p of minus 1. P of minus 1 means take minus 1 in place of x. Minus 3 into minus 1, minus 4. So, minus 1 whole square. Again, same, minus 1 into minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 ones are 1 only. Here, minus into minus. Plus 3 ones are 3. Minus 4. 1 plus 3, 4 it is. Here, minus 4. 4 minus 4, here it is 0. Let us take one more. P of 3, for example. In place of x, 3. In place of x, 3. 3 square minus 3 into 3 minus 4. 3 square means 9. Minus 3 3s are 6. Sorry. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. And the last one is minus 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Minus 4, that is equal to minus. One more, last one, p of 4. Let us take p of 4. So, take 4 in place of x. 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. 4 square is 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 minus 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12 minus 4. 16 These two are negatives. Minus 12, minus 4, minus 16. So 16 minus 16, that is equal to 0. Now listen carefully. We have found P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 3, P of 4. Like that 4 values for a given polynomial. Among these 4 values, see the first value P of 1 gets minus 6. So the value of this polynomial is minus 6 at x is equal to 1. The value of this polynomial is 0 at x is equal to minus 1. Like that the value of this polynomial is minus 4 at x is equal to 3. Like that the value of the polynomial is 0 at x is equal to 4. Like that 4 values. Among these 4 values, the result 0 we have to observe. Where the result is 0, see there are 2 cases. This is the first case. First case, this one. There the result is 0. And this is the second case. That means this one. Here also the result is 0. Now for what values of the variable the result comes 0? For minus 1 and for 4. There are 2 values. What are those 2 values? Minus 1 and 4. For these values, the value of the given polynomial becomes 0. So, these values, what are those values? Minus 1 and 4. These values are called zeros of a given polynomial. That's all. This is the zero of a polynomial. So, we can understand very easily what is zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial means for what value of the variable the given polynomial becomes 0, those values are called zeros of a polynomial. One more important thing. See what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of this polynomial is 2. That is 2. That means it is a quadratic polynomial. Yes or no? It's a quadratic polynomial. For a quadratic polynomial, there must be 2 zeros. Because the degree is 2, there must be 2 zeros. For cubic polynomial, there must be 3 zeros. For linear polynomial, there must be only 1 zero. For linear polynomial. Okay? I'll tell you a linear polynomial, then I will conclude. You understood now this one about the value of a polynomial and zeros of a polynomial. This is very important in further concepts. One more, linear polynomial, let me explain and then I'll conclude. Linear polynomial. Okay. Now, p of x is equal to, as x plus 3 for example. Let us find out 2 values, p of 1, p of minus 3. Take p of 1. P of 1 means 1 in place of x, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. P of minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. In place of x, that is minus 3. That's all. Minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 0. So, among these 2 values, where 0 comes here. Here means second case. In the second case, what is the value of a variable? Minus 3. So that x is equal to minus 3. For this value, the polynomial becomes 0. Therefore, minus 3 is the 0 of p of x. That is the 0 value. That is the 0 value. Okay. So far it is enough. In the next session, we will learn some more about these zeros of a polynomial. The next concept comes zeros of the polynomial only. Okay. Do you understand? Thank you. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. డాడీ లేచిపోయింది, వస్తుంది.